Hello, my name is Hannah Fatma. I've been working in childcare for over 16 years and I'm kindergarten teacher at the Goddard School. So the skills we are working on this classroom are early reading and writing skills. We learn basic math skills and creative art. We are also supporting our children with their social emotional skills like sharing and taking turns.
My son is learning how to be a global citizen. He's also learning how to be a positive contributor to his classroom environment by being a collaborator with his classmates. And I love that he's learning how to be an independent thinker. The other thing that we have really loved about the Goddard School experience is the smaller classroom size, that the adult to student ratio is smaller than what we've seen in other schools so that our son can get the attention that he needs.
Our job is to help and support children. We want our children to walk away from our classroom with a lot of confidence and prepared to face the world.